What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to start a 1981 Yamaha Champ. It is a super easy process, but if you guys miss a step, you might have a lot of frustration not being able to start your bike. So make sure not to skip any parts of this video, and let's get right into starting this 1981 Yamaha Champ. My petcock is aftermarket. However, there should be a little switch right here that you can turn on and off. That's your petcock. Go ahead and turn your gas to the on position. Next, turn your key to the on position. On the right side of your handlebars, make sure that your kill switch is in the middle position. That's your run position. Now, this Yamaha Champ is actually an auto choke, so there is no choke lever. It just does it automatically for you. So your next step is to just simply kick it over and it should start right up. So there you guys go. Hope that this video helped. And if it did, please feel free to leave a thumbs up down below. Let me know if you have a Yamaha Champ and if you guys enjoy moped content in general, maybe just hitting the subscribe button because we do have a lot of moped content. Again, I hope the video helped. And as always, ride safe.